Ciao, I'm Eleonora and I'm a tour guide of Florence, and I'm here today to introduce you our beautiful walking tour, which is called Strolling Florence's Heart. This tour is perfect, especially if you come here for the first time, because we're going to see the most important monuments and buildings of my city, of Florence. Like this one, the famous Ponte Vecchio, the old bridge, the very first bridge of Florence. Today the bridge is famous because, as you can see, we have the beautiful jewelry shops here. So the golden shops of Florence are right here on this bridge. We're going to see also some secret parts of Florence that just the locals know. During the walking tour, another beautiful place we're going to see together is the Town Hall of Florence. That's the place where our mayor actually works. So I'd like to show you just the courtyard here inside. Let's see how fantastic it is, with the beautiful frescoes. Look at that. This is the perfect tour for families, as we're out in the open and can stroll Florence at your own pace. We'll stroll past the Ponte Vecchio and view the Arno River. We'll go past the 13th century Duomo, where you'll be taken back by the Renaissance architecture of Brunelleschi's dome. Don't forget to book this tour on our website. I wait for you. Ciao!